Hey, 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 hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, what's up? My name is Mimi, it's Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe. But for my oldies but goodies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Hey, what's up, the Incredible Squad? Let me know you in the building. Sound off in the comment section below. As y'all can see, I got a new hairdo. This is my protective mini braids. I did not do a video on this hairstyle. Please don't kill me. But I was tired when I put these in my hair and I didn't feel like filming. Alright. But we know why we are here today. We are here to find out how I make my famous Fenugreek water. So let's go over to my kitchen. This is the Anthony's Fenugreek Seeds brand that I use to make my Fenugreek water. Some good reasons to use fenugreek in your hair are the following. Fenugreek seeds is packed with protein which helps fight baldness. Fenugreek seeds prevents hair loss by helping hair stay strong. Fenugreek seeds fights dandruff and scalp irritation with the antibacterial and antifungal properties. Fenugreek seeds may help prevent premature gray hairs because of its high potassium. Fenugreek seeds may promote hair growth by strengthening the hair follicles. Lastly but not least, fenugreek seeds conditions the hair and give it a shine. Okay, for this fenugreek water, you will need, of course, fenugreek seeds, a mason jar, and a spoon. Okay, so these seeds smell so good, like maple syrup. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of these seeds for this fenugreek water. This is how the seeds look. They are so small. So that's one more tablespoon. Okay, let's cover this back, well, zip that back up, and now we're gonna put water. I'm gonna fill up this jar until this line right here, you can't really see it, but to the top, but not to the top, because these seeds will double in size, so be mindful. Okay, let's add this water, and this is hot water, very hot water. So I'll fill it until about there. That should definitely be good. And of course, we're gonna put this top on it. And this is how it looks when you first apply the water to the fenugreek seeds. Now, we are going to store this overnight in a dark place. I normally put it in my cabinet of my kitchen cabinet, or I'll put it in my closet. Okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna store this in my cabinet and I'm gonna leave it in here for about 8 to 24 hours, and we'll come back and finish the process. It is the next day, around 1 p.m. to be exact. I made this fenugreek seed water mixture last night around 8 p.m. So these fenugreek seeds have been sitting in this water for about 17 hours. And as I mentioned before, the fenugreek seeds will double in size. Now it's time to strain the water from the seeds. You are going to need a water bottle. And I tend to be clumsy, so I will need my funnel right here, okay? Let me open up this jar. Okay, let's get to pouring. Okay, that should be good. And this is the Fenugreek Water. It's so simple, easy to make, and these fenugreek seeds, you could just set it to the side because we are going to make something else with those seeds, so do not throw it away. This Fenugreek Water I have been using for about a month and a half, and it has stopped my hair shedding. It makes my hair very moisturized. It gives my hair slip. I can use this Fenugreek Water as a pre-poo. I will use this Fenugreek Water underneath my conditioner when I'm deep conditioning my hair, and I also use this Fenugreek Water as a leave-in. This Fenugreek Water does smell like maple syrup, so for those of you who don't like the maple syrup smell, which I love it, you can use some essential oils of your choice to tone down the smell of this Fenugreek Water. Okay, and I put this in the refrigerator after I'm finished using it every day, and I use it for maybe like a week or a week and a half. I do the smell test. So if it still smells good, I'm going to use it. I know most people recommend to use it no more than 5 days, but for me, I have used it up to a week and a half. So anything after 5 days, just smell it each day before you use it. If it smells good, I suggest you to use it until it starts smelling bad, and you will notice the difference of how it smells good compared to when it starts smelling bad. All right, so let me know down below if you guys will try this Fenugreek Water mixture. Let me know if you tried it already. Let me know if you like this video and if you would like more DIY videos like these. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next one. As always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo, bye.